Okay, we now let's learn motion. We just learn the wedding permits. Okay, we learn the motion. Motion has two. Manual speed is x. Use this button. You can change the moving. to 2000. The speed will very fast. How to launch? We only choose the start one time and stand here. Here is go right. Here is go left. You can see it here. Go left, go right. We choose the go left one time. Here is go left. You can see it. And go right. Here's go right. And then Y is see the here. Here is go front. Here is go back. Here is go down. Here is go up. This is Z exercise. Here is Y exercise. Here is exercise. According the button stand here. According the buttons moving direction. Okay. Here is X, Y, Z the speed. A moving speed is up and down. Here is according to here. Okay. Here is C moving the speed. C according to the direction. Changes the moving manual speed. Changes the moving manual speed. The Y speed here. We just relate. Here is center Y and return Y. The moving speed is here in the manual speed. Step size is C speed step size in the run page. Is wedding speed. Also is the C speed. The changes when you in the Dubai and the wedding. Only please one time. You can see the here. Motion only one, right? We set here is one. We long page. If we want right, edit according to one. If we want to in motion, we change it 1.5. Then we launch is 45, right? Here is motion. Is the step. Is the edit step. The Y speed step also in the run page. The Y speed run one. Press one times. Here I did a step. And the current speed step is here. Wedding current. Okay. And LVC voltage and the track speed in the run page is here. Okay. Here's motion. And the factory settings only changes the language. Here is Chinese and English. Okay, right. And now this page is motion. The page. We need to learn the fraction program because oscillator the fraction page we late. Okay. We need to do the fraction program.